Hello everyone, in this video I will talk about a split tension test performed on hardened concrete specimen. Split tension test is also called Brazilian test. It's a very simple indirect testing method often performed on brittle materials like concrete, rock, and rock-like materials. The test is performed according to ASTM C496. Tensile strength is a very important property of concrete because concrete structures are highly vulnerable to tensile cracking. The tensile strength of concrete is very low in comparison with its compressive strength, so the tensile strength is only about 10% of compressive strength. Due to the difficulty in applying uniaxial tension to a concrete specimen, the tensile strength of concrete is often determined by using this indirect testing method. It should be noted that this method often gives a higher value of tensile strength than the uniaxial tension test. In the test, a 6-inch by 12-inch concrete cylinder is subjected to a compressive load at a constant rate somewhere between 0.7 to 2.4 MPa per minute. It's loaded along the vertical diameter until failure. And very often we put the bearing strips made of plywood on top and at the bottom of the specimen. We use them as cushion, and also sometimes we put a supplementary steel bar on top of the specimen. The failure of the specimen occurs along its vertical diameter, so the cylinders will split into two halves along the vertical plane due to the indirect tensile stress generated by Poisson's effect. Actually, during the loading, approximately 80% of the vertical diameter is in pure tension. And this test measures the tensile strength of concrete. Assume the tensile strength is T is equal to 2P over pi LD. The P is the peak load measured during the testing. It's the load at failure. L is the length of the specimen, and D is the diameter of the specimen. You will measure the length and the diameter before the test. So the length should be close to 12 inch and the diameter should be close to 6 inch. The tensile strength measured by using this method often varies between 2.5 to 3.1 MPa. There are many empirical formula to relate tensile strength to compressive strength of concrete. You can find those empirical relationships from the internet. One of them I found is Ft, the tensile strength, equal to 0.387 times Fc, the compressive strength, to the power of 0.63. So you can discuss in your lab report to show if those empirical formula can actually predict the tensile strength based on the compressive strength.